Hello everyone. Hello sewmates. How are you all doing? I trust everything is in perfect condition. Yeah, once again I welcome you all to yet another episode with Gifted Hands Fashion House. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this skirt wrapper. Yes, it's actually a wrapper skirt. And I'm using this fabric for the lower part. So to cut this skirt wrapper, I need to make a flare. So actually going to make a seven. Sorry, I'm going to make a 360-degree flare. So I'll cut the front part to be 180, and I'll cut the back part 180. Combining both of them, 180 plus 180 is 360. So 360 is going to be the wrap of my skirt wrapper. If you want to make your 720, it's up to you. If you want to make it 180 for the wrap, it's up to you. But what I'm using for this one is 360. Now to do this, I need to fold my fabric. See it here? I folded the first one into two like this. But before you fold your fabric, you need to work with your waist measurement. I'm working with a waist of 44. 44 divided by 6.28. The formula is dividing for every flare, you must divide by 6.28. So 44 divided by 6.28 is 7.001 or thereabout. So, but I'll be using 7 so that I don't get extra allowance. Okay, so I'll be working with 7. So I'm working with a waist of 7, and then the full length of my skirt is 40. And then I'll add that 40 to 7 to get 47. So after folding my fabric like this, what I'm actually looking for is 47. So I'll check to know if I have up to 47 here. I've folded my fabric with length of 49. Like I told you, I'm folding it with a 180-degree flare. I folded the first one and then the second one like this. And I have here a length of 49. It's actually length of 40 plus 7 inches that we calculated for the circumference of for the waist. You know, we did 44 divided by 6.28 to get 7.001, but I told you I'll be using just 7 inches because I wouldn't want to get extra allowance. Okay, so the length of 40 plus this 7 inches gives me 47, and then I added 2 inches seam allowance to get 49. So the full length here is 49. All right, but one thing with this flare is that you are not going to get, you are going to get some unequal parts. Like here, I don't have up to 49 inches here. We don't have up to 49 inches here. So we'll be attaching some fabric to it. When we get there, you see how we do it. So now I'm going to mark, first of all, I'll mark the radius of my circle, which is 7 inches. I'll mark it up here. So you place your tape like this and mark 7. As I scale through, I scale round, I'll mark 7. 7. So this is my 7 inches waist. Alright, I'm also free to cut it out from here now. This is 7 inches waist, and this is going for the front part. Alright, now let's mark out our length of 40 inches. So I'm going to place from this top here and mark out my length of 40 inches. Here's 40. I'll be needing about 1 inch for allowance to get 41. I'll also shift a little bit and shift down here as well to get 49, 41 again. Repeat same thing all around. 41. 41. can see it's shorter here. So all these planks here, I have 41, which is my full length, but at this part here, it's not up to 41. So I'm going to get a fabric and add about 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches, so I can get 41. So when I've joined, attach another fabric to it, I will now measure out 41 and cut out. I'll do it and show you. So I've done it. I've attached fabrics to the parts that are short, that are not up to 41. You can see it. From this part is okay. This part is 41, but these parts that I attached fabric to, they are not up to 41. So I've attached fabric to it. Now let's see how we mark our 41. From this point, I have 41 here already. You can see it. But from this point, it's not up to 41. So I attach fabric to it. Okay, see the fabric I attached. So this is 41 now. I have 41 here. And I'll also check other parts. I'll mark out the 41 and cut out. So I've marked out 41. Okay, and I've cut it out. I'll repeat same thing for the back part.